Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is business card design. Every professional needs a memorable business card to make a great first impression. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay 50 to 200 per design, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean, modern designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Next is motion graphics. From YouTube intros to social media ads, motion graphics are in high demand. If you enjoy creating eye-catching visuals, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. So to get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to content creators and marketing agencies. With practice, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the creative industry. Third is rental. If you have extra space or items you're not using, you can rent them out and earn passive income. From vacation rentals to equipment leasing, there are endless opportunities. Start by listing your space or items on platforms like Airbnb or Fat Llama. Many people earn $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand and location. To stand out, focus on providing excellent customer service and maintaining your listings. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Fourth is photo editing. From social media influencers to small businesses, everyone needs polished photos. If you have an eye for detail, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop. Many clients pay 10 to 100 per project depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating clean and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Fiverr or by reaching out to photographers directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about copywriting. Every business needs compelling words to sell their products or services, and that's where you come in. As a copywriter, you'll craft persuasive content like ads, emails, and website copy that drives sales. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's audience and delivering results-driven content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by pitching directly to businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose business card design, motion graphics, rental, photo editing, or copywriting, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.